Hello food lovers, today we are going to be making some Italian veggie penne pasta. Obviously we'll need some pasta. We're going to be using some pasta sauce and sweet chili sauce, some Italian cheese, some garlic oil, peppers, onions, corn and peas, mixed herbs, grinded pepper, salt, whole coriander seeds, garlic and ginger. We're going to start off by boiling our pasta, and for that we've got some hot water. We're going to let this boil whilst we saute all our vegetables. We're also going to add a little bit of salt, but leave some for later. And our tip of the day is that if we add 2 drops of olive oil or any other normal oil, your pasta will not stick together. While our pasta is boiling, we're going to put some oil on a heated pan, along with some whole coriander seeds. My mum's going to crush it for extra flavour. And when those have popped a little bit, we're going to add our garlic, ginger, and onions. We're now going to saute it for a couple of minutes. Now that our onions have gone a little bit translucent, yet they still have their crunch, we're going to add our peppers, our corn and peas, and then we're going to saute it for another couple of minutes. Now that we have well sauteed our vegetables, we're going to do some seasoning. We're going to add our grinded pepper, salt, and mixed herbs. We're also going to add pasta sauce, and mix it. And as this is one of our family favourites, we're going to be adding some paneer. This will also add some protein into our meal. And then we're going to mix it well and let it cook for another 2 minutes. While our veggie mixture is cooking, we're going to check on our pasta and make sure it's cooked. Now that our veggie mixture has cooked, we're going to add some sweet chili sauce. This is optional and to taste. And we're going to mix it well. Then we're going to add our pasta, and we're also going to mix that well and let it cook for another 5 minutes. As you can see, our pasta looks so delicious and it's ready for plating. We've now garnished it with some coriander leaves and Italian cheese. It looks so yummy and healthy. I hope you enjoy our recipe and we'll see you again soon. Thank you for watching.